Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Capricorn, it's sign. This is June monthly reading. This is general. May or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Guys, this is general. If it is not resonates, don't force to fit it. Take messages only. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Capricorn, it's sign. Capricorn, it's sign. The Tower with Ace of Pentacles and Temperance. You are patiently waiting. You want to restore the balance within yourself, and there is stability in finances coming. And the Tower movement under the deck. Definitely, for some you are in separation, for some you are in no contact. Even though you are in relationship with this person, this is on and off connection. There is some Tower movement, especially in relationship wise. The terms between both of you are not good. So let's see your reading. Recent past, King of Pentacles, Five of Wands and Four of Cups. Yes, you are very committed to this relationship, Capricorn. You're always there for your person. But there is a lot of drama going between you and your person in past. Maybe they are in and out of your life. They are not available to you when you need them emotionally. Four of Cups, you are feeling something is missing in this connection. Because you are giving 100% to this person, but they are in and out of your life. Yes, you feeling missed opportunity, or you feeling lonely, you feeling something missing in past, and in relationship there is a lot of drama going between you and your person. Then present, Knight of Wands, Strength and Seven of Cups. Yeah, you're still confused. You are in some confusion state. You don't know, because one person of you want this person back, and one part of you want to move on from this person. That type of confusion. But you started focusing on yourself. You want to stand by your power, because the Strength card is here, and the person involved in this connection could be Leo or Aquarius. So you started focusing on yourself, working on yourself. And Knight of Wands, but someone is coming towards you, and this person is very, very passionate. For some it could be a new person, for some it could be a past person, depending upon your situation. Then future, Nine of Cups, Queen of Pentacles and the Star. Your wishes are going to be granted. And Queen of Pentacles, yes, you more concentrating on your career, focusing on your abundance especially. You are very caring and sharing person. And the Star, there is something you are hoping and it will coming true. Definitely you are seeing your life in positive, I think, way, in some positive way. And the Star, definitely there is something positive shift is coming into your life. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, a lot of water energy, especially Leo or Aquarius. Then Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So Capricorn, let's see your person current feelings and their intentions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. So under the deck, Justice with Knight of Swords. They are in rush to communicate with you. For some, they are planning to communicate with you. Yeah, Justice. I think legal issues are going through one person in this connection, but they want to communicate with you and they want to give clarity. Let's see their current feelings, Capricorn. Capricorn, they are missing you, and this person is very, very passionate about you. And Knight of Wands, I think the Knight of Wands, the person coming towards you is maybe your post person. Yes, this person is very, very attracted to you. Now they're realizing your worth. They're missing you so much. So let's see their true intentions. Yeah, the Hangman with Page of Pentacles and Four of Cups. They are missing you. They're feeling very lonely and they're stuck on you. Yes, they are stuck, and for some your person is spiritually awakening regarding this connection, and they want to send some text or message communication. Yes, this person may be realizing your worth because Five of Swords energy is here. In past, maybe they may be cheated on you, lied to you, some backstabbing energy, but now they're realizing your worth. And King of Cups, yeah, they want to offer their cup of love to you, and they really want to offer stability because King of Pentacles is here. I think for some your person is very career focused also. So now they want to offer commitment, marriage, and they have regrets, Capricorn, because Five of Swords energy with Nine of Swords. Definitely they're feeling missed opportunity with you, and they're realizing your worth. They're missing you so much. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Three of Pentacles. Yes, this person want to work on this relationship. In past there is no collaboration between you and your person, but now your person want to give clarity to you. And Ten of Cups, they want this happiness with you. Yeah, they are spying on you. Page of Swords energy. A lot of spying is going. Ace of Swords, the World card, and Ten of Cups. I think you also want the same thing with this person, Ten of Cups. And Ace of Swords, you also want clarity from your person and the world. Some cycles are going to be end between both of you. For some, you both are in long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. You want clarity, Capricorn. Let's see mutual. Again, Justice. The Lovers. I think second chances with Magician and Death and Nine of Swords. See, you both are missing each other a lot. And Death, for some, you both are in no contact. It was one type of ending between you and your person. Death, transformation. Maybe right now the connection is under the transformation. And Magician, for some you both are manifesting each other. But what I'm seeing here, the Justice with Lovers card. Justice is marriage card. I think for some there will be reconciliation in near future. For some it depends because everyone's situation is different from others. But Justice, second chances with Lovers. Love is there between both of you guys. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. Okay. Will you forgive me? Don't leave me behind. Friendship. True love. And new love is coming. Marriage. See, marriage. So the messages are, will you forgive me, don't leave me behind, friendship, true love, new love is coming, and marriage. These are the messages from your person, and take what resonate. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck. Your hard work is paying off, new moon in Capricorn. and take time to breathe out. So your hard work is paying off. So if you are doing hard work to achieve something in your life, definitely your hard work will pay off. For some you will get results, you are getting results also. And take time to breathe out. If you are doing too much work, you are not taking any break, this is the message for you. Take time to breathe out. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.